Hey guys, today's video is super exciting. I'm going to tell you about the amazing weekend that I had. Holy shit balls. Today's Monday when I'm filming this. I could not wait to make this video and tell you guys. So between Friday night and Sunday night, I made over $3,000 on Poshmark. Like, crazy. Remember PoshFest? Remember when they rolled out some new features? One of those features that they rolled out was called My Shoppers. I didn't really think much of it. I was just like, oh, cool. You know, you can talk to your past buyers. Like, cool. So previous to this, I wasn't one to talk to my buyers, really. I mean, of course, if they were asking me questions, yes, I would answer, but I wouldn't go out of my way to like talk to buyers. I'm not gonna, just randomly reach out to people. One of the reasons was because I didn't think I had time to do that. And another reason was I didn't want to sound too like salesy. Like I didn't want to give them like a sales pitch because I know I don't really like it when people do that to me. I'm gonna start doing that because I had great success doing that. So going back to this feature, it's called My Shoppers. It's really cool. Let me grab my phone. I want to go under My Seller Tools and then My Shoppers at the top. I'm not going to show you mine because it's going to show my past buyers and likers and stuff, but it'll give you a list of your shoppers. So like I said, they could be past buyers. They could be people that have just liked things. They could be people that have put things into bundles. Basically, they had some type of interaction with your Poshmark closet. The My Shoppers feature is great because you are able to communicate with all of these people at once. At once. It's really weird because this is like sort of an automation. I mean, I don't know, it definitely is automation. I feel like Poshmark's maybe realizing like, hey, automation is the way to go. So I find this feature easier to use on the computer because you're able to select like literally all of your shoppers at once. Actually, I don't know if you can select all of your shoppers. I think that there is a limit, but you can select a lot of your shoppers at once and there are different things that you can do. So all right, I'm just selecting a couple and the options are, well, first off, you can choose what type of people, sorry, I'm just so excited about this feature. You can choose the people that you want to contact. So you can choose likers, here, I'll show you. Likers, buyers, no, bundles or past buyers. And you can sort them by most recent shopper activity, most likes, or most items in bundle. So we're just going to select a few and then you're going to tap on actions at the bottom. So grab your phone, follow along with me. If you're watching this video, grab your phone, follow along. Okay, and these are the options at the bottom that you have. So you have add likes to bundle, send offer to bundle, or send comment to bundle. Add likes to a bundle, that's cool, especially if you're going to be adding multiple people's likes to a bundle, so you don't have to go into each individual bundle and add those likes yourself. Send offer to bundle, so I don't really think I would use that one unless I was doing like a certain percentage off each bundle. I used to do that. You can choose your own like bundle discount to give to people, and I used to do that, but I stopped doing that because I feel like every bundle is different. Like, sorry about the beeping, guys. My porch is gonna be done today. Thank you, Lord. My son's room is finished today. It's a good day. Oh, what was I saying? Oh yeah, every bundle is different. Some people add like 1 to 2 things to a bundle. Other people add like 37 things to a bundle. I sold another bundle of 37 things. It was crazy. She actually had 41 things in a bundle. Well, somebody else bought those other 4 items before she could purchase her bundle. So I've sold 2 bundles of 37 things. And you guys don't believe me. I've had some people come and be like, yeah, okay, Vanessa, sure. I've showed screenshots on my Instagram. I mean, maybe I'll show a screenshot in this video, but I'm gonna like cross out the names and the amounts. But I mean, I wouldn't lie about that. Like, no. The last option is send comment to bundle. And that's what I did. So I selected a bunch of people. Again, I didn't sort them. Well, no, the only way I sorted them was most recent shoppers. And then I selected, I don't even know how many people, and I sent a comment to their bundle. So when you select send comment, obviously it shows the comment. You can write whatever you want. I said, hey, thanks for stopping by my closet, because again, they've had some type of interaction with your closet. So I said, hey, thanks for stopping by my closet. Just wanted to let you know that I'm running a sale, blah, blah, blah. Here's what to do, add your favorites to a bundle, and then let me know when you're done adding things and I'll send you the offer. And holy shit, you guys, did I have success? Like, it was actually crazy. I was getting overwhelmed. My husband was like, holy shit. Like, it was nuts. And then finding everything, you guys. I ended up finding everything, which was great. I actually have to bring everything to the post office today because there's no way in hell I can fit all of that stuff on my chair. If you guys saw one of my previous videos, I talked about how I have a chair outside by my mailbox. Somebody stole it. Oh, a little update. I got so many comments on that video. You guys are like, okay, if it's by the road, then it's free. It's somebody can take it for free. And I know that is like that, like some places, but I don't know. I feel like it wasn't obvious because it was like rested up right against my mailbox. Like it wasn't like it was just like thrown randomly by the side of the road. Like, what if my kids left some of their toys by the end of the road? Like, oh, people can just come and take it as they please because, oh, you left it by the road, so it's free. Oh, I don't know. That's not, no. You don't take what isn't yours. Like, obviously I get it, you know, people do that, the trash they don't want, but that wasn't free for the taking. And the fact that she did it when she was like on the job, some of you guys are like, oh my gosh, she's probably gonna lose her job over this. I'm like, she took something that wasn't hers. She could have asked. It was broad daylight. There were people outside. She could have asked, but instead she just took it. She got caught red-handed. I got the chair back. Did I tell you guys that? I got the chair back. And I don't know. I don't know if she still works for Instacart. I requested her to like not be my shopper anymore. So I don't know. I don't know what happened to her. Anyway, there's no way I can fit all those packages out there. I have to bring them to the post office. My husband won't stop texting me. So yeah, so many packages. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to make like multiple trips to the post office because I got a lot of shit. So yeah, that's basically what I did to make a lot of sales. Like it was crazy. And from now on, I'm gonna communicate with people. I'm gonna like initiate conversation with people. I'm gonna like make that part of my workday. I'm going to make sure I set aside a time to reach out to people that have liked things because I mean, although I know a lot of people do it, but again, I was like, I don't have time for that. I could be doing something else more important, you know? No, I saw really, really great success with that. So I'm going to continue to do that. And I suggest you guys do it too, because I'm not the only person that has had success with this. I saw so many people on Instagram post about it. Yeah, I was like, I got to check this out because I knew it was a feature. I just didn't really look much into it. But it's awesome, guys. It is awesome. And again, I suggest using it from the computer. Did I say this? I don't remember if I said this. But you are able to select multiple people. Like at one time, you can just hold down the shift key and, you know, scroll down as far as you want. And tap on the last one and it'll select all those people instead of individually selecting them all like you have to do on your phone. But it's amazing. Comment down below and let me know if you tried this out, what you think of it. I highly suggest it. And yeah, I just wanted to make this video and tell you guys about this feature because it's amazing. It's definitely going to be used in my everyday now. Just blown away by like the success and like reaching out to people. It's such a simple thing. I was afraid to do it. I'm like, I don't want to be annoying, but it's like, okay, some people get annoyed, but majority of people won't. They'll be like, oh yeah. Like I had this one girl comment. She's like, oh my gosh, I found your closet a long time ago and I'm really active on this app and I forgot about your closet. And she purchased like a 13, it was 12 or 13. So yeah, not only are you reaching out to people that have liked your things recently, you can also scroll back to people that have liked your things from a long time ago and maybe, you know, forgot about your account or whatever, but it's amazing. I'm so excited to use this in the future. That is it for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know if you use this feature, if you've had success with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.